To perform a test, tap on the test icon. Next, when prompted, depress the probe pen 90 degrees perpendicular to the table of the stone. Hold this position until the progress bar is completed. The testing results will be displayed on screen as follows. A diamond result suggests that the stone is a natural diamond.
Before proceeding to the next test, wait for the prompt "Ready to test" at the bottom of the results screen to appear,
or until you are prompted to begin the next test. A CVD HPHD Type 2A result suggests that the stone is a Type 2A diamond, potentially a CVD or HPHD diamond, and further analysis is recommended. A moissanite result suggests that the stone is a moissanite. A simulant result suggests that the stone is a diamond simulant.